my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. David and I love salsas. They're so flavorful plus easy to make, like salsa verde, spicy tropical salsa, and fire roasted salsa. One that we've created together is Watermelon Salsa. With a beautiful combination of ingredients, this sweet and savory sauce can be enjoyed as a side dish or as a snack along with tortilla chips. It's a great summer recipe to make soon. So let's get cooking. In a mixing bowl, we'll add the star of this recipe, watermelon. Then mangoes. If you're not too sure how to prep this fruit, learn how by clicking the link on the top right corner of your screen. Followed by red onions and orange peppers. I use this color because I want to create a rainbow of yumminess. We'll also add cucumber, a couple tablespoons of chopped cilantro, and the same with jalapeno peppers. We'll stir until the ingredients are nicely combined. Look at this, guys. Isn't it beautiful? We'll cover and chill for 1 hour or until ready to serve. Meanwhile, we'll make the dressing. In a small bowl, we'll add freshly squeezed lime juice as well as lime zest. Some agave nectar. I add just half a tablespoon, but adjust to your liking. Ground cumin, which is one of my favorite spices. Then ground sea salt and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. I rarely use strictly black and prefer the mix. We'll whisk everything until well blended and don't forget to taste and adjust seasoning if needed. Alright, so when we're ready to serve, we'll pour our dressing over the salsa and stir to mix. Voila! And my friends, this is our watermelon salsa. With a nice combination of ingredients, this salsa can be served as a side for fish, chicken, or pork, as an addition to tacos, or simply as a dip with tortilla chips. It's a great summer recipe to enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!